Ladies and gentlemen, stop putting your eggs in one basket. If you have one source of income, you will be broke. Nothing lasts forever. You don't know not one successful person, one successful millionaire with a billionaire or millionaire mindset that put their eggs in one basket. How about this? Jay-Z don't got the most rap sales, but he got more money than anybody in the rap game. Off of what? Do say. 50 Cent. He started off as a rapper. He was a hustler before that. He got rich off of vitamin water. Y'all do the math. Puff Daddy. He was a manager. He was this. He was that. TV shows. Baby Lotion. He got rich off Ciroc. Y'all not understanding? You got to put your eggs in more than one basket. I'm pretty sure that Warren Buffett was working a 9 to 5, but he started putting his money into his 9 to 5. Stocks. If you work a 9 to 5, you got to use it as a stepping stone. Even your 9 to 5 go broke. How many of y'all needed extra hours at work, but didn't want to work them, but they done cut your hours? Well, you supposed to have your other hustle. You understand what I'm saying? I got a song. If y'all see my music playing in the background, I actually got a song, y'all, called 2 Monies. And I was talking about this when I was a kid. Here it go right here. Tab Flames, 2 Monies. Go look it up. The hook go, I got more than one hustle. I'm getting 2 monies. Girl, if you doing nails, you better be doing hair too. Because somebody gonna always want their hair done. And when they don't want their hair done, somebody gonna want their nails done. Girl, if you babysitting, you better have a 9 to 5 too. Man, if you scamming, you better be rapping too. If you rapping, you better be doing YouTube too. Why do y'all think Case, Cameron, successful rappers, now they commentators with their own podcast? Why y'all think Shannon Sharp, successful NFL player? Why you think Michael Jordan got shoes? Kevin Hart got alcohol. Nobody that's really successful has put their eggs in one basket. You can't. I know some of y'all thinking, I got faith. I have faith. I have faith. I don't need a second backup plan. I don't need a backup plan because this plan gonna work. You're talking like a fool. Nobody, let's take a rapper for example. The song that he thought was gonna blow never did any numbers. The song that he didn't think was gonna blow, that's the one that blew. You never know how the universe gonna take things. So I see so many people be down and out because they put everything into one thing or one person or one situation and it be broke. All you do is buy Bitcoin and it crash. Boy, you supposed to have Litcoin, Dogecoin. You supposed to have all type of cryptocurrencies. You supposed to have this and this and that. So I'm gonna prove to y'all today, right quick, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I'm gonna prove to y'all that I do what I say. That's why I have financial freedom. Now, I don't have to tell y'all, look in the background, 2 Monies. I make music. That's always selling. But if it stops selling, I do YouTube. Y'all watching me now. Not only that, hold on, hold on, wait a minute, hold on. I'm showing y'all what I do. Y'all count up these hustles. Yeah, I get tired, but I live a great life. Yeah, I get tired. I'm gonna show y'all count the hustles now, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. And I'm not doing this to brag. I'm doing this to motivate, hustle and motivate. So y'all see I do music, right? All right. Now, this is my dating channel. I got 47.2 subscribers. That's my dating channel. All right. The channel that y'all watching, Money Hoarders. I just started this channel literally like 2 months ago. I'm doing nothing but crazy numbers. So I have 2 YouTube channels. So if one of them mess up, I got a backup. I got another YouTube channel. If them 2 mess up, I got my music to fall back on. No, wait a minute. Let's go to my books. Let's go to my books. What, you want to go to Amazon? Barnes & Noble? Where you want to go? Let's go to Amazon and check it out. Y'all, go cock a book. I sell books. I got more. Let's see. Another book. Y'all, these books be selling like hell. I'm in so many schools. It don't make no sense. I got proof of all of this, y'all. Y'all see it, Amazon. Cocky kids. Y'all see it. Amazon cocky kids. Y'all saying, oh, Barnes and Nobles. Oh, he ain't in Barnes and Nobles. He ain't in Books A Million. Who ain't? Cocky kids. So that right there is 1, 2, 3. That's 3 YouTube channels. That's 2 books. That's 5 hustles, right? That's 5 hustles. Don't let me stop y'all. All right. I also do this, y'all. I have Coinbase. I'm going to cover up how much I got on now. Y'all see, this is very active. I have Coinbase. Y'all see? I have Coinbase. I invest in crypto. I'm going to make a video about how crypto finna be the whole new wave. But y'all see, Coinbase. Y'all see right beside that, Robinhood. I got stocks. Y'all, I got so many stocks. Let's go to my portfolio. I got bond ETFs. I got size-based ETFs. I got regional ETFs. I got marijuana. They got 5 companies that share shares in marijuana. So I got 46% in stocks and 51% in ETFs. ETFs way more way more guaranteed than stocks. That's my son back there, all the money. So look, we got 2 books, 3 YouTube channels. We got stocks. We got crypto. That's 7 hustles. Y'all, I know y'all thinking, ain't no way this man got no more hustle. Watch this. My son put me on this. I got to get all credit to this. All credit to him for this. All glory be to God, but all credit to him when it comes to this little situation. But all glory be to God. Shouts out to Yahweh Jesus Christ. But we also got this. I got FanDuel. I do sports bets. Y'all see, this ain't apps I just downloaded. These apps that I have. I got FanDuel. You understand? Also, my son put me on this. I ain't made them like 600-700, but think about if it was just sitting there chilling. I got FanDuel. Not only that, excuse me, y'all had to burp. Not only that, I repair credit. I offer $30K for $30,000. Y'all think I'm lying? Check this out. Community section. Look at the community section. Make $30K in 30 days. Don't nobody complain. All you got to do is just go to my community tab. It's in my community tab on this channel right here. Make sure you subscribe. So what's that? 2 books, 3 YouTube channels, cryptocurrency. I do so much stuff. Stocks. You got to add music, but I add them with the YouTube channel. These are things that I made thousands off of. I haven't made millions, but it accumulated to way over $1 million for sure. Not to hold y'all. It's a couple more things I do, but I just can't tell y'all. I repair credit for y'all. I also do dating advice. For women, it's $100 to FaceTime me for 20 minutes. I get several of those a day. Several a day. Several. I got guys, they $200. I get several of those a day. Now we on 8 hustles. I'm going to stop at 10. And I'm showing y'all, celebrities do the same thing. They do the same exact thing. All right? Another hustle I got. I want to show y'all. This hustle. I do artwork. And I ain't want to mess up the camera view, but I do artwork. Sorry, y'all. I got to take y'all down right quick. I'm going to show y'all the artwork. I got y'all. Don't worry about it. I do artwork. I done made so much money off of artwork. You got King Von, Tupac. You got King Von. You got all of these pictures. Of course, I didn't draw these like, the Von, the Nipsey, all of that stuff like that. But look, it's work smarter, not harder. Y'all, I didn't draw these. The artist is right there. I let her draw them for the low and I sell them for the high. I can't make this up. Now, I want to show y'all this. I got to cut on my light. Now, this is the second hustle. I done sold 10 of these for $2,000. I make dead rapper tables. If y'all don't see, they go Dolph, King Von, and that's who I personally like. So this table for me, I make these tables for $500 a piece, and I sold 10 of them. That's $5 fucking grand. So that's hustle number 9. Hustle number 10, let me show you how crazy people is. I sell cups, king cups. So many people want to be kings, right? I'm going to tell you what I do. I'm going to tell you the hustle I do. King cups. These are already sold. Somebody coming to give me $200 for this. I paid $20 on Amazon. I paid $9 on Shein. Somebody coming to pick this up tomorrow. They already cashed out me. What they've cashed out me? $160. So this right here is a $150 profit. And I'm going to go buy 10 more. Y'all do the math on that. I'm just telling y'all, last but not least, I got to put y'all up on game. I ain't even going to go outside and show y'all the drop tops. Y'all got to follow my channel. Y'all know how I love to pull out in them convertibles. Also get rid of them too. Last but not least, this is one of my favorite things too. I have a clothing line. It's in the comment section. You see, it's not no bullshit. That's stitched on, tab flames, tabernacle. I got all type of merch. Unlimited merch. I'm going to say it one more time. Unlimited merch. Unlimited merch. You can also, come on, look at this now. You can also get you a belt. Y'all see what that's on that belt? Y'all see the say tab flames. You can also get you a belt. But also, it ain't nothing wrong with buying designer. You got to buy some Gucci sometime. But I'm trying to tell y'all, not to even mention that. The shoes are flipping. Man, that's 11 hustles. I'm going to end y'all with 11. I'm going to end y'all with 11 hustles. That's 11 whole hustles that y'all can take with y'all. 11 whole hustles. Now, y'all have no excuse for being broke. It's a million ways to make $1 million. What the fuck you broke for? Stop depending on people. Only way that you can be successful by being 100% self-reliant. I done told y'all in my video before. Delayed gratification. The video right before this one. Y'all like this video. Y'all subscribe to the channel. At the bottom of the screen, you see my Instagram. Everybody follow me on Instagram. Go like my last 10 posts. Like this video. Subscribe. And if you is subscribed, go check and make sure the black bell on. If you're not subscribed, what the hell you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that black bell. This is some real game I gave y'all. Hopefully y'all can appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day. I holla. Gang.